Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Aaron. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very simple science experiment, that is your iodine test for starch. So we'll look into the experiment, and these following things I have taken from my kitchen only. So right now I'm in my kitchen and I have taken the things for the experiment from my kitchen only. So let's see what are the things that are there for this experiment.
Alright, for this experiment I have taken this betadine solution which contains iodine. Then I have the 5 samples which I have taken. First sample we have your boiled rice, then we have your sugar, then we have your biscuits, then we have your salt, and at the last we have your wheat flour. So these are the 5 samples that we have. Now in this test, the iodine solution will help us to identify the starch which is present in the samples that we have taken. The starch is a type of carbohydrates. If starch is present in any of the samples, the food that we have taken, it will turn blue-black. So if the sample is turning blue-black, the starch is confirmed. So I have taken some of the iodine solution in one container and I have added water in it just to dilute it. Now we'll see what will happen after I pour this iodine solution on each of the samples that we have. Alright, the first is your rice. Let's see what do we observe when I pour this iodine solution on rice. You can see the rice started turning blue-black. This shows that your rice contains starch. If the sample is turning black and blue, so it confirms that this sample is containing your starch. Moving to the next one, we have your sugar. Let's see what will happen if we add on sugar. No visible change is observed. So this shows that sugar does not contain starch. Let's test on biscuits. Okay, as you can see, it started to turn blue-black. So biscuits also contain starch. Then we have your salt. Let's see what will happen when I pour it on the salt. Nothing. So your salt also does not have starch in it. We have the last sample that we have, that is your wheat flour. So let's add few drops. Okay, see, so this turned again blue-black. This test confirms that your 5 out of 3 samples was having your starch in it, that is your rice, your biscuits and your wheat flour was having starch. Your salt and your sugar is not having starch. So this confirms that the starch is present.